My name is George Maliaras. I'm the Prince Philip Professor of Technology at the University of Cambridge. I work on bioelectronics. This involves interfacing electronics with living systems. Part of our investigations, part of our focus is the human brain. We implant electronics in the brain in order to understand how the brain works and in order to treat its pathologies. I know KAUST because two of my former group members have chosen KAUST to launch their academic career. And they found that it's a wonderful place to do so. They have access to world-class instrumentation, to excellent collaborations within the campus, and mechanisms to collaborate with people abroad. And they have been very successful in coming up with world-class research groups that address some of the most important problems that humanity faces today.
It's the first time I'm in KAUST, and I'm very impressed with the environment and the quality of the people and the students here. I work on different areas of science, mainly in biomedical engineering. I've been developing sorting technologies using microfluidics with applications in cancer and with a focus on infertility as well. It's a very interesting experience to take a technology from the benchtop in a researcher's hands, and then taking it and making it work in everybody else's hands in a clinical setting. It's a very interesting journey, but at the end, we have developed some sperm selection technologies for IVF, and it's a pleasure to be able to see babies being born with the technology and being able to help people in need. It is kind of like being in a candy store with a lot of problems where you can apply some good solid engineering combined, of course, with a lot of biology and understanding of the real clinical need to solve problems. And the chances that it will actually change people's lives is high, and knowing that actually is motivating.
The work I talked about was the work mostly that I had done in the Navy, developing biosensors that have been commercialized for detection of infectious disease, environmental pollutants, drugs of abuse, and other things that are toxic to people. I talked mostly about the practical aspects and the decisions that are required in the research lab to make something that is actually deployable in the field or in a doctor's office. My research personally has moved on till now. I'm mostly working in the regenerative medicine area, building new organs and tissues on chip. The conference has been fun, even more than the speakers. I've enjoyed meeting the people at KAUST. I'm looking forward to seeing some of the labs this afternoon. The KAUST is a fabulous place. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it has a lot to offer for its faculty and students.